The weather's turning again as usual. Let's go out somewhere. This is too much. Wow! Jesus! This is what we was warned about. Stop it. Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be doing some gear repairs. We've got some Gore-Tex pants where we've got a sizable hole ripped in it, and you can see that there. And also a 2-layer jacket where we've got some rubbing on the first layer, so we're going to try and patch those up. You could send them away and get them repaired properly from the manufacturer, but these are quite old now. I think the pants are around about 3 years old, the jacket's just over 1.5 years old, so I'm going to do my own patch up and hopefully that'll prolong the life of them a little bit more. We're going to use the Gear Aid Tenacious Tape. Now the pants are Gore-Tex, so we've got some Gore-Tex tape there, you can see that with it shining on. And the Rab jacket is a 2.5 layer Pertex shield, so we've gone for a different nylon strip here which matches closely with the colours. So the first one we're going to do is the pants. So we've got this from Gear Aid, it's a well-known company. And this is the Gore-Tex one. It's a little bit more expensive for what you get. Basically comes in this case, which means you can take it with you on the hills. So if you do get an incident out there, you can pretty much patch it up whilst you're out there. But for the price of it, you only get a hexagonal one, you get a rectangle one. I'm going to trim some of the excess fibres off just to help it stick really. There's quite a few there. Just take that right. There we go. I'm just going to size the hole up. So rectangle, a little bit large, but this hexagon on the side there seems to be a good fit. Gore-Tex, I'm just going to pull the first one off. Should just be a case of sticking this on really. I'm going to stick it on the angle there, so let's place it there. And then pull the rest of the backing off. If I can get this bit off. There we go. Just going to keep it straight and pull that back down. Pretty much it. Some people say use some heat. I'm not going to. I've been in touch with the company and they've assured me that if you stick that on after 24 hours it's washable and it shouldn't come off. The next one is the jacket. There's not an obvious rip in this, it's more some friction, it's rubbing through the 2-layer. I'll show you the culprit, or one of the culprits. Now, these 2-layer jackets, not just Rab, any of the other companies, the 2 layers, they're really brilliant, really light, but they're not very resistant to abrasion. So you can see that I've got the backpack on, and at the bottom here there's abrasion. So when we're running, I've been doing a bit of running, I'll show you some clips now. Woo! Oh God, it's horrible, but you feel alive. Getting through the first layer of the 2-layer jacket, so before it starts leaking I'm going to put an extra patch on there and try and keep this for a little bit longer, try and get another at least 6 months out of it. This is the centre bit where I've just showed you. I don't know if you can see that and make that out. You see how it's rubbing? I'll try and put it at some different lengths of the camera. You can see that it's just starting to rub away there. So I'm going to put a patch on that on the 2-layer. It's not gone through as you can see, so let's deal with that before it gets any worse. So I've tried to match the colour up as best as possible. I had to send off to the US for this colour just to match it up. We'll see how close it is in a minute, but yeah, believe it or not, it cost less to ship from the US with more material than it did from the UK for the other one. So yeah, that's not a bad match, is it? So we'll take that off. I'm just going to measure up size it up, and then we can put the tenacious tape on there. You can see that, so the patch is there. I'm going to go over by a couple of centimetres each side, and all I've done is got some kitchen roll just as a template and placed that up and sized it up. What I'm going to do with the kitchen roll as well is I'm going to round the edges off the corners, because you don't want this sticking into your fabric. So I'm going to round those off now and then use that as a template to cut the tenacious tape. Let's take this first section off, seems to be split there. Make it as straight as possible, and I'm just going to stick this first one on here. That looks alright. Make sure I pull that on as tight as possible. This last bit, I'm going to try and keep it as taut as possible, and then pull it back. So there we have it. It's not the neatest thing in the world, but it's certainly stuck. Once the backpack's on, will you? So once that's on, in position, it's doing its job. That'll do. Should get us another 6 months out of the incubation.